Alright, here we are for the Tarantula X6. Quick comparison to the brushless Blade 200 QX. It is really windy out here though. Guess I should have did that before I put the hat on. Alright. 100%, but a little sketchy there, especially in this wind. It's fighting it, but boy, it sure is fighting it. Yikes. Not crazy about this 100% mode. Really, a little sketchy. A little twitchy. Alright, let's see the punch out on this thing. Hell, this is about the same as the 200 QX. That's amazing. See, that's what I don't like, all that crazy twitchiness of it. Alright, punch out one more time. Wow. That's amazing. It's fighting the wind, folks, but boy, it's having a hard time doing it. Try to bring it in a little closer here, but I have a little bit of a hard time with this wind. It's got some crazy punch out for brushless motors, for brush motors, I should say. See if it does the same punch out going the other way. Can't really see with this sun. Okay. Alright, here we go. Alright. Yeah, it does. Even against the wind, it still has that punch out. Wow. This is a heck of a flying quad for what it is. That pitch is just crazy. The yaw rate is fantastic too. In 100% mode. Flying it kind of aggressively, but I do have extra gears and motors for it, which, by the way, were very cheap. I think the whole gear set with the motors and what else did it come with? Props. Oh no, bearings. Bearings, gears, motors were like $18 on eBay. Wow, look at that punch out. That's amazing. It has just as much punch out, if not more, than the 200 QX. Just doesn't fight the wind quite as good, but it's a very light quad and it's big. It's got a lot of air surface compared to the 200. But for brush motors, it's amazing. For the price, absolutely amazing. Fantastic quad for the price. The controller is a little small, if you can see it here. It's a little tiny in my giant old mitts, but this is a good flying quad. Very noisy, but not bad. Not too bad, I guess. It's windy out here, though. It sure is. The pitch forward is so much that you have to let off. Otherwise, they'll go right into the ground. Can't do that with the QX200. I got the wind to my back, folks, so when it's coming towards me, it's fighting it. Cut the grass there a little bit. Alright, we'll take her in. It's enough punishment for one flight. Kind of rough on it, but like I said, I have extra parts, and they were cheap. Fantastic quad, actually. Alright, y'all. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe. Peace out.